Hey guys, I hope you watched my part 1 video on preparing the grow bags. Today in this video we are doing part 2, which is sowing seeds. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified when we post a new video. Also don't forget to smash that like button. Let's get started. Hey guys, today we're going to put the seeds inside the bags that we made in the last video. So now, these are all the seeds that we have. So this is the fenugreek spinach. It's also called the vendekira in Tamil. And under this newspaper we have coriander seeds, and we're going to break it into two, so we have many seeds and so it grows faster, because if you put it just like this inside the bag, it takes more time. So now we're gonna crush it. So we're gonna put the seeds on a newspaper, and we are gonna not crush it but just break it into two with our hands. You just press it on lightly. Just spread it out a little so it'll be easier to do it. You can see it's getting crushed little by little. So we'll continue. So we have crushed the coriander seeds and they are ready to put in the bag. So I'm going to show you guys, we have more seeds. I'm going to show you guys the different types. So these both are Sirigira. This is Tandikira, and that's Seventh Tandikira because it's red. And these are some of the seeds that we've got from the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. These are all different types of Tandikira and Sirigira. So now we're going to transfer these seeds into this, so it'll be easy for us to put it in the bags. So now we've crushed the coriander seeds into half. So we're gonna put it in the bag now. The way we're gonna do it for this seed is I'm just gonna take it like this and sprinkle it a little everywhere. Now we're gonna cover it. So now we're gonna put the fenugreek seeds or the vendekira inside the bag now. Again, it's the same thing like we put those seeds. You just sprinkle it. now we're taking a little sand from this bag where I already put in this, and I'll sprinkle on top to cover it. So now we put the fenugreek or Vandekira on these 3 bags. So now we are gonna put these type of seeds that I said in the first in 1 bag for each seed. 1 bag for each seed. So first we're gonna put these seeds. It's the same technique for all the things. So we start. Now, again, just cover it lightly. So now we put the sirigira in 1 bag. So for this bag, we're gonna put the sevapatandikira that I said at first. Now, same thing, cover it with the soda lightly. So now you put the sevapatandikira and sirigira. So now we're going to put dandikira. That's the same technique for everything. we put all the tandi kira and all the other stuff kira. So now we're going to start putting the kira that we got from the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. So now same technique again, like we put the others. But take a little sand binder from this and put it there, so we can go on top after we put the seeds. Now again, just sprinkle the money on top of it, so just cover it lightly. The final bag that we got from the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. So again, we take a coin-sized amount, like that. Keep it back in case. You take a little bit of skin, put it there. Same thing. Sprinkle. So now we're going to put the Thooduvalle plant. This is the Thooduvalle nati that we got from the nursery, and the English name for this is purple fruited pea eggplant. So the benefits of this, let me say some benefits. The benefits of this, it helps in respiratory problems like asthma and chest congestion and many more. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put it inside the bag. So first is, you have to make this bag wet and the bag that you're gonna put the nut inside, or the seedling. So we let that soak in. Now, and now we're gonna make this wet. So what we're gonna do now is, we have to make a hole as big so we can put the whole, this whole length inside. The whole bag inside. we've dug the hole there, and we're gonna cut it out of the bag. Not the out of the bag, the seedling. You don't want to hurt the roots. You want to do it very carefully. One more time with the side. Take it out gently. Be careful with the roots. There, we got it. So now after taking out, we rub gently so the roots can be shown. Now we gently put it in the hole. So now we cover it. There you go. So now we have sowed the seeds, and now it's watering time. So how to water is you have to just sprinkle. You don't want to pour like directly, or else the seeds will go to all one side and it won't grow well because it'll fight for the nutrition and stuff. So you just take it like this and you sprinkle. So now we have finished watering all the plants. So what you have to do is, you don't need to keep it in sunlight. You can keep it in shade until germination happens. After it germinates, you can keep it in sunlight. But you still need to water it every day to keep it moist. Bye!